How to find and follow Facebook pages related to your interest. So I have in here this Facebook account. And if you're interested in food, you can head over and then just scroll away until you can see any pages that actually posted food. Alternatively, you can also click on the search right here and search in here for food. And then from there, you can see in here some options. So let's head over and then go in here for pages. Now in here, you can see some food lovers options, street food, and a lot more. So you can head over and then click on the follow option right there. You can also follow ASMR and a lot more related to food right there. So just continue doing that until you can see some more options or some more posts onto your actual Facebook feed for the food option. So that's how you find and follow Facebook pages related to your interests. Hope we help.